Morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a big day. We're getting rid of something. Yeah, we got another set of gram lights, but these are the 57 CR in white. I told you last video we're gonna do Sunday Mayo. That's it. Now this is the main reason we're replacing the wheels. Yeah. Only one of them are really good. So I put them on the Forester. Give them as drift spares. I don't know, but today we're going to our first show. The car's not in any competition, but you know, let's scout the competition. We also got a new drag, so I could jack off in peace. Sick, man. Holy sick. That's in front of money with the season. Alright. So a couple of things have happened since, the last segment. Let's check this out. Dude, this is fucking sick. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're at a Rick's event at Reserves World Casino. So check out some cool cars.
thought I was feeling you?
So guys, that meal was alright. I put some I put some videos and some clips into here. But the reason we didn't take my car is it's not show ready. And we only go for position number 1. It'll probably be position number 2 right now. We came dressed up, so we were all position number 1.
All the way. We got a lot of compliments.
Yeah, we gotta get this car built. We're gonna have it built exterior wise next year, interior wise next year, and then 2025 we got the engine build. Hopefully we don't blow it up.